Johnny is studying at QUT. He's a full-time IT student and is pretty social and active in the university community. But Johnny has a problem. He's completely overwhelmed by the number of social technologies at QUT, and it seems like every lecturer and student uses something different. Every semester, Johnny has to find a group for his assignments. Sometimes this can take weeks, cutting into valuable assignment time. This semester, Johnny has the additional burden of finding a work placement for one of his units, INB346, and he has no idea where to start. So Johnny visits Blackboard and posts a question on one of the forums looking for a group. But no one responds, and when someone finally does respond, Johnny doesn't get a notification on his phone, and only notices a day later when he logs in. Frustrating. Wouldn't it be great if Johnny could go to one place for help and get alerts when people respond to him, just like in his favourite social media apps? And what if employers could post summer jobs and work experience positions somewhere that students could access it and apply for it directly? What if Johnny could advertise his own skills, interests, and current enrolment to other students and potential employers, making him a more attractive choice as a group member or employee? Presenting QNet. QNet amalgamates the features and functions of different software already used into one concise, dependable place. QNet is the custom-built network for QT staff and students. QNet has tons of features that will make Johnny's life much easier. And better yet, it brings the familiarity of Facebook and functionality of Google Plus to QUT. Some of these features include interaction with students and staff from different faculties, creating and maintaining your own QNet profile, collaborating and interacting with other students via messaging and comment threads, accessing course content easily and in one place, following the interests and subjects of your friends, finding people for group assessment, extensive search capabilities and tagging, accessing it on your desktop, phone, tablet, anywhere, anyplace, anytime. But what else makes QNet special? QNet is built upon the foundation of the trusted and proven ELGG social network. It is open source and will allow QT to freely modify the underlying code to incorporate new features as required. QNet also has an open API that will allow students and staff to access the content the way they want it, where they want it. QNet is fast, expandable, and it's free, as in beer. QNet will provide analytics to the university to equip them to be able to adapt to staff and student needs. So how does QNet compare to Yammer? So how much will this cost us? The best part is that this project will pay for itself in 12 months. In financial terms, the project expects a return on investment of over 2% after 12 months and 247% at 24 months. More importantly, QNet will arm the university with a new level of business intelligence, enabling senior management and executive teams to better understand the student and staff behaviours and make better business decisions. Once the social transformation was decided by QUT, Johnny was chosen to be one of the members of the supervision team that guides the project. The supervision team contains different stakeholders, supported by a technical consultant. In the project kickoff meeting, Johnny explains to his fellow stakeholders and the project team his idea of a centralised platform for all the students to collaborate and communicate on. He emphasises how important proper interface design and usability is to get people on the platform. The development team found it really easy to start, as QNet is built on the open source platform ELGG. So all they had to do was add basic features and improve interface design and usability. For flawless performance, the development team is doing load testing and optimization. And once beta testing starts, Johnny is among one of the first students to test the software, remove bugs, and improve it further. Simultaneously, George approaches Tony from the marketing department and asks him to run a marketing campaign promoting the platform to students and staff across the campus. In the next steps, the beta test is open to all staff members and QT students, so the development team can keep working on satisfying their needs. And to reduce entry barriers, Johnny suggests that we integrate and synchronize existing data from previous platforms to QNet. This way, users can get groups and friend suggestions right away. When the end of the project gets closer, the existing platforms are closed off and more features are integrated with QNet. We hope you enjoyed this video presentation. For more information on the QNet project, please see the full project proposal.